I'm Rob Shenk. I'm the Chief Content Officer for the National Medal of Honor Museum in Arlington, Texas. Well, we're a new museum that's focused on the Medal of Honor, the Medal of Honor recipients, and the character attributes that they represent. And for us, there's some fantastic Medal of Honor stories of pilots who flew different aircraft. And we've been looking for aircraft that kind of help tell some of those stories. And the Wildcat, one of the iconic fighters of World War II, is at the very top of our list. Yeah, we're really excited to help bring this project to life. I do think that this is a time in which it's important for us to share the stories of these remarkable people. There's 3,515 Medal of Honor recipients since 1861 till today. And for us, it's not just telling their stories, but also really sharing the inspiring aspects of what they did. You know, the courage, the selflessness, the sacrifice, and the fortitude that you see in these people, I think will be deeply inspiring to all that encounter the stories. When we started looking at planes, and we did want to have a fixed wing aircraft in our museum isn't as big as yours, and so we had to be very careful about what we selected size-wise. Fortunately, one of the smaller aircraft was the F-4F Wildcat, which also fortunately has the most number of Medal of Honor recipients who flew it compared to any other single-engine fixed-wing aircraft. World War II Wildcats just aren't lying out there at the store and you can kind of just pick one up when you want. They're very rare and they're very difficult to source. And so even though it was at the top of our list, we knew we had some serious challenges to locate one. And so in working with the National Naval Aviation Museum in Admiral Kozad and Sturls Gilliam, we were able to be offered essentially a chance to display this aircraft that was already here at the Air Zoo being restored. And for us, having the chance to come up and visit and see the restoration team and meet the whole Air Zoo team was just further inspiration, because there's really, you can sense the passion here, the skill is tremendous. And to see this aircraft that was pulled from Lake Michigan, so literally from Lake Michigan, pulled back up to the surface, being restored here, and we'll install it in our museum. It'll be held aloft in our museum and things like that. That's a fitting kind of endpoint for this historic plane.